Find yourself and personal design poetics.
Hi, I'm Aditya Vasu Vakil. You can call me August. I'm 23, about to turn 24, and I'm a product designer / industrial designer, originally from India but was raised in Thailand, and now I'm in Italy. The experience that DesignMashup gave me specifically is that this incredible sense of, leaving behind digital understanding and coming to a very physical understanding of how design works. Because you can go back to Milan and design again. You can go back to a modern city and you can design again. Here, you have a lot to design, but there's no technology that you should use because this town doesn't have technology. Sitting down and you can walk around the streets and just grab a piece of paper and draw the architecture, and it's beautiful. You don't have the time to take out your computer and then model thing. It's much more interesting to sit down and sketch what's around you and understand that than to really, 3D model something, because you can do that anywhere, but you lose that architectural understanding and design here if you leave here with your computer. If you leave here with a book of sketches, it's a lot more interesting, So I think that's one thing that DesignMashup really brought.
DesignMashup has a big opportunity to bring a lot of culture and internationals to think creatively in a small space, to think big. Because even though people think it's this very small hidden treasure, but there's I think it triggers, sparks creativity. I think there's so many opportunities to do things here, but mostly very creative things. Because there are places that you've been mentioning, like this is supposed to be for painters, so I think this is a very creative cultural space, and I think DesignMashup spot on, really should be here.
My name is Laura. I am from Italy and I study design in Milano. I lived the past 8 years in China, in Shanghai, and I decided to finally go back after so long time to my home country. And now I am here in Civita, living this amazing experience with DesignMashup. In Shanghai, I was initially studying and then I started working as a product designer. Well, I think it's very important to think and to design the best way, the best experience to give value to this abandoned village in Italy, but in general in the world, because there is so much culture and history that is getting lost. So I think this moment, this occasion of creative mind meeting up in this place and talking about new idea and how to create something that can last. It's very unique, and for me it was very important to be here and to participate.
I am Cansu and I'm from Turkey. I was an architect. I studied architecture back in Turkey, in Ankara. And I came Milan like almost 2 years ago to do my master in Domus Academy for product design. And now I'm like working almost 1 year in a lab in a design studio as a product designer. DesignMashup actually good opportunity for me is a workshop that takes place in small village here in Civita. And the best part I think I enjoyed is we totally disconnect from the real world, which we are inside, and we don't even understand the value of the stuff, the meaning of working with our hands, like using our imagination without any computer, without any technological tools. I think this place, Civita, brings you the values that you forget in your real life while you're in the rush.
Find yourself in personal design poetics.